Welcome to my Fakeaway series, where I'm going to teach you how to cook your favourite takeaways at home. This time we're cooking these banging Maccy inspired sausage and cheese muffins. And don't worry, the full recipe and method are down in the caption. Use a sausage of your choice, then remove the meat from the skins. Pop into a bowl along with the thyme and garlic granules, mix well, then divide into 4 equal sized patties. Fry in a splash of oil until golden, then flip over and continue to fry until cooked through. Trust me, these are so much tastier than the ones you get at the Golden Arches. Top with the cheese slices, and in my opinion, the more processed the cheese, the better. Then double up the patties and set aside whilst you fry your eggs. Now, if you're being as pretentious as me, you can use a ring to set the shape of your fried eggs, but I assume you have a life, so you won't bother. Make sure to baste the top of the eggs with a little bit of oil so the whites are cooked through, and then it's time to build. I always go for ketchup on mine, but feel free to use a sauce of your choice. Add on the sausage patty stack, the fried egg, and enjoy. Let me know in the comments which recipes you'd like to see next in the Fakeaway series. And now it's time for the yolk pop. Boom, bang in.